Come on. Take it. Got him. Such a light bite. First fish of the morning though. Is it going to be my crappie? Yep. Alright, just a little guy, but right species. Welcome back to another video, everyone. Early morning. Got a storm rolling in around noon today. Going to be out here seeing if we can't get on some crappie before the storm comes. Just a little guy, but the right species, so shows me that I'm in the right spot. So let's get that guy down and see if we can get some nice ones today. I'm going to be using a tungsten jig with a little white plastic, and just going to see if we can't get some early storm crappies. Really love this ghost free fall reel. Check that out. Just hold the trigger and boom, right back at the crappies. I think this guy might be interested. Come on. Here he comes. Take it. Got him. Alright. This one thumped it. Feels a lot nicer. Be the better ones I'm looking for. Oh yeah. A little bit better there. Oh yeah, it overspans the hole. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. Oh, inhaled that one too. It's gonna be about 9-10 inches. Nice. Got a bunch on the screen right now. Alright, goodbye. Oh, we got a speed racer. Got him. Now I think they're turning on. Oh yeah. Just another little guy, but another crappie at that. Got more down there though. Now that the sun kind of came out, I think that the bite just turned on. Right. Back down there and still waiting for me. Here he comes. I think they're hungry. Oh, there's a bunch of them down there now. It's a race for it. Got him. Alright. This one feels nice. Alright. Yeah, look at that one. Alright. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that crappie. Nice one. Screen is lit up. Here he comes. Oh, smoked it. Yeah. Feels like a decent one. Nice. It spans the hole. Another nice one, back to back. I can hear the wind just whipping out there, and I think it's got the bite turned on. Look at that. Just inhaled that. Came up so quick for it. That's a nice crappie right there. Let's go ahead and let that one go. Close your mouth, bud. Goodbye. That dude hammered it. Here, get back down there. We got more waiting for us. Look at this guy, instantly. Got him. Holy crap, they are hungry. Ooh, feels like another nice one too. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Bam. Crappie. Oh, popped right out. Not as nice as the last two, but another hungry one at that. Got more down there. Okay. Let's get back down there. Alright. Got another one waiting for me. Look at this. It's coming right now. Instant. Got him. Man, this is too much fun. Alright. Another crappie. It's a lot of fun, guys. We got more waiting, so we'll just pop this out and get back down. And that's why I like fishing plastics. I'm using the same plastic, haven't changed, and we got fish down there, so let's get back down there. I see you waiting for me. Alright, let's do this again. Here he comes. Got him. Ooh, alright. Another crappie. Another crappie. Had some cold weather lately, so it felt good I could actually get to the crappie hole. First time not sure if I mentioned it earlier, but first time driving out on the lake today, so pretty cool out here with the vehicle, so a lot less work involved. Early ice is a lot of fun for fishing, but when you can drive out, it makes it a lot better. Or I should say a lot easier. Let's get back down there and catch a few more of these crappies, see if we can get some of them bigger ones. There we go. Nice. Stuck them. Here we go. Hooked up again. Feels like another crappie. Oh yeah. Nice crappie. Nice. There we go. I'll take these all day. Good eaters right there. There's more to be had. We got more fish. Some nice marks down there. They're moving up so quick that my jig ain't even down there yet. Here we go. This guy's gonna take it. Got him. Nice. Feels like a decent crappie. Just came up and smoked it. Alright. A lot of fun out here though. I was hoping the bite was going to be on, and I would say it is. Got him. Holy crap, this guy came up so fast I didn't even know he hit. Feels like a nice crappie. Oh yeah, nicest one of the day so far. Oh yeah. Nice looking crappie right there, guys. Look at that one. That's a dandy. A bunch of them just showed up on the screen. I was just about to leave and boom. I guess I'll get a few more and then we'll call the video there. I could be out here all day, but that storm that's coming is going to be, they're calling 6 to 12 inches of snow with 40-50 mile an hour wind, so it's going to get brutal, and it's going to be here in about an hour or so, so I'm going to get the heck off the lake since I drove out here. Got another one looking to take it. Got him. Gosh, this is fun. Crappie. One more crappie and we'll call it here. Let's get home before that storm starts coming. Here we go. Got him. Nice. Alright, just a little guy, but did catch some nice ones today. I'm going to end the video here, guys. I'm going to get off the ice before the storm comes and blasts us. I mean, everyone, by the time you watch this video, the storm probably already came through, but I'm about 45 minutes away from getting hit. So I'm going to get off the lake, like I said. Had a fun morning. These crappies were a blast to catch. Feels good to be out in the crappie hole. So stay tuned, everyone. I'm going to see you back out for another video. But how can you leave when there's a crappie waiting for you down there? Anyone else have this issue? I mean, they're sitting on the screen. How can I go? The action's too good. This guy wants to eat too. I can't just leave him hanging. I mean, look at this. This is just getting ridiculous. Oh, and another nice one. Look at how he inhaled that bait. Screen's lit up. How can you leave? Alright. See you guys.